Hi, my name is Katie Ziskind, the owner of Wisdom Within Counseling. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist in the state of Connecticut. I wanted to share today with you a video about what to expect in therapy. Oftentimes people come in and have these questions, so just know that your questions are totally normal and I would be happy to answer them via email or even on the phone. Feel free to call me or send me a text message at 860-451-9364. When your child or adolescent comes in for therapy, typically the first session is a family session, meaning you and your child may be present, or perhaps the entire family, 4 or 5 family members. The next session is typically a parent conversation session, which is a session for you and your partner, if applicable, where you come in, you share more about your child, goals for treatment, what you want out of therapy, and we talk about this as a long-term commitment and growth process. So typically therapy, I would say, is at minimum a 1-year process. So just thinking about that from the beginning. Then we also discuss how the first 12 sessions, so the first 3 months of treatment, are the trust building phase. So this is where your child or your adolescent integrates with me as a person. So we're learning about each other's personalities. This is an essential phase where weekly sessions are a must in order to build that rapport and that trust. So if your child is 10 years old, it's taken them 10 years to get to this present moment. So it will definitely take some time for them to build trust, a sense of safety, feeling like they belong in my office, and overall to build that therapeutic working relationship so that after a few months, they'll be able to fully express and verbalize their feelings. During the trust building phase, I typically integrate play therapy, art, yoga, music, and I run animal assisted therapy groups. All of these treatments together are highly effective because it engages your child and teenager in the process of their own personal growth. Animals are specifically beneficial for pro-social development, building self-regulation, teaching empathy, and even attachment and belonging. Typically, the structure of therapy includes a weekly session for your child or teenager, and twice a month or every 2 weeks, a parent conversation session in addition to their session that week. Typically, after, I would say, 5 or 6 months in therapy, your child or teenager will begin to show externally really positive strides. So change will take time because just like it takes time to ride a bike or learn a new math equation or even learn to swim in a pool, it may take the whole summer to do that. You know, this is a skill-based practice, an experiential therapy practice, so it does take time to foster positive change. I look forward to working with your child, adolescent, or teenager, as well as with you as a parent. My phone number is 860-451-9364. Book your session online at wisdomwithinct.com. I have tons of free information and resources on my free info tab, so please check that out in the meantime. I look forward to connecting, and I would be happy to answer any more of your questions about what to expect in therapy on the phone. Have a wonderful day.